So I've come to the bookstore to do a review of my book, and I see that they're moving, and it's 20 to 75% off everything in the store, which means I'll definitely be hitting up the doll section to see what I can score. First off, I'm so sorry that it took so long to do a review of this book. I was really tired and other projects kept cropping up, but right now I am doing a flip through and I'm trying to give everyone a good look at the book, because if you can't purchase this book or don't want to, I at least want to show you what's in there so you won't be deprived of anything. And I don't mind if people would rather watch the video with this flip through than to buy the book. The book, in my opinion, is for a milestone to mark my progress in the doll community and on YouTube. So I'm really proud of it, and that's what really matters to me. So I'm just doing this flip through. Now the book is listed at $9.99 on Amazon. However, I may be taking the price down just because the book is rather thin and the pages are not that thick, even though the print quality is very good. But it's just giving $5 book to me. Now the book to be printed costs $4.20. I do believe, or I will insert a picture of the royalty at the end of the video. I don't want to insert it right now because it will be over the flip through and I'm trying to show people the book basically. So right now at $9.99, the royalty that I get from the book sale is $1.74. I'm not sure what type of royalty I would get, if anything, if I put it just at $5. So I may have to put it at like $6 or whatever, what have you. But I will have to see about that in this coming week. That's what I'll be working on, is dropping the price. Also, I will be working on making this an ebook. It has to be formatted in a different way than a print book, and that's why I didn't make an ebook yet. So I will be working on that this week. I'm not sure if there is a minimum amount I have to make the ebook, but I will be making that price very low as well. And of course, I will be updating y'all with my findings. Let's move on to the toy section, which is the fun stuff. I didn't buy anything, but I did enjoy looking. And I also saw these set of journals that had a bookshelf print on it, and I thought it would make for a great miniature bookshelf if you don't want to make all of these books. I will be getting those journals when they go down even lower, but for now, enjoy this random footage of another bookstore I went to today with a friend. I really liked the interiors of it and it was very inspiring. And I'll end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!